Want to grow your money no matter where you live? Investing might sound complicated, but today I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to start investing, even if you only have $10. Hi, I'm Raj, and in this video, I'll help beginners start investing globally with easy tips. By the end of this video, you'll know why investing is important, the types of investments anyone can use, and a simple plan to get started today. So let's begin. Investing is the key to growing your money faster than just saving it. Thanks to compounding, your money can grow exponentially over time. For example, if you invest $100 each month at 7% growth, in 10 years you could have around $16,000 instead of $12,000 if you just saved it in cash. Investing also protects your money from inflation, which slowly reduces the value of cash over time. There are several ways to invest. First, stocks, owning a small part of companies like Apple or Tesla. Second, bonds, lending money to governments or companies and earning interest. Third, ETFs and mutual funds, bundled investments that reduce risk and are perfect for beginners. And fourth, real estate or other assets, optional, but useful for long-term wealth building. For most beginners, the safest starting point is ETFs or index funds because they are diversified and steady. Here's how to start investing. Step 1. Choose a platform or broker available in your country. Examples include eToro, Interactive Brokers, Revolut, or Trading 212. Step 2. Open an account. It usually takes just 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3. Fund your account with a small amount, even $10 to $50 is enough. Step 4. Start investing in diversified ETFs or index funds. And here's a tip. Use dollar cost averaging, which means investing a fixed amount regularly to reduce risk and avoid market timing. Some additional tips for beginners. Invest consistently, even with small amounts. Avoid trying to predict short-term market movements. And learn continuously by following trusted finance sources and books. Remember, patience and discipline are more powerful than luck in investing. Now you know how anyone in the world can start investing. Start small, stay consistent, and your money will grow over time. Comment below with your first investment goal and don't forget to subscribe for more global finance tips.